Jay, how are you reading the way Nifty, Bank Nifty have come down? Are they coming closer to the support levels? Also, tell us what are the trading ideas you have for our viewers today.
Hi, very good afternoon to you. And now, see, as far as the Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, one thing is very clear that now on the upside, Nifty is clearly facing a resistance at 18,600. In fact, yesterday we saw that market opened quite positive, closed in the positive territory. It remained for a long time above 18,600, but then finally closed at 18,600. Today again it went above 18,600 but closed below 18,600, or maybe it's now trading below 18,600. And that is the case with Bank Nifty as well. I mean, it's trying or it's attempting to break above the levels of 44,200, but then it's again, facing some from those levels and again slipping down. So then this clearly indicates that now markets are again back into the range of 18,400 to 18,600, and Bank Nifty is within a range of 44,200 to 43,800. So that's a percent range, almost a percent range of Bank Nifty, and that of Nifty. These indices are now trading within this 1% range. So I think that the best strategy would be that buy on dips and sell on rise unless you see a breakout or a breakdown from this range. And whenever it comes at the middle point of the range, that is, if Nifty comes to the level of 18,500 and if Bank Nifty comes to the range of 44,000, at that point of time, I think that short iron butterfly strategy or maybe short iron condor strategy. These are the non-directional strategies for the option traders. I mean, these strategies can be initiated as these are non-directional strategies. That is as far as the indices view is concerned and the strategies out there is concerned. As far as the stock-specific ideas are concerned, then I have two buy recommendation at this point of time. One is on PFC. Now, this stock has even a multi-year breakout, I would say, above the levels of 180, 190 levels. That is PFC. I mean, a decade-long breakout, or maybe more than that. And now this can be bought at current market price with a stop loss of 185, targeting 210 to 220. That's the short-term positional idea. But I would also recommend that since this is a long-term target, and once these targets are achieved, one can in fact think of including this in the long-term portfolio as well. Now, second buy recommendation is on Apollo Hospitals. It's trading around the levels of 4,900. The targets in the short term will be 5,000 to 5,050, and one can buy this, placing a stop loss at 48.25. Why Apollo Hospital? Reason is that this stock has provided a very nice breakout from a multi-month resistance or a weekly resistance. In fact, it has broken out from an inverse head and shoulders pattern technically with an increase in volumes. So it's well backed by volumes, hence the probability of an upside increases. So hence PFC and Apollo are the topics for today. As PFC has provided a breakout from a triangular pattern and Apollo Hospitals from an inverse head and shoulders pattern.
Right, Jay. This is Vinny joining in the conversation as well. I just want to talk about obviously the pack that has been buzzing in the last couple of days as the defense pack. We do have a news flow, yes. But is it interesting? Because you had seen a bit of a run up come up there. In the last 2 days also, we are seeing a run up in these names. Would you find anything interesting in this pack, or you would just hold on right now to buy these ones?
So see, I'll tell you, HDFC is also have is or maybe has come out with a new NFO on. They have already announced they had in fact done a few weeks ago on defense, right? And that clearly shows that when the AMCs take this kind of a move, that's very clear that the long-term sectoral view for this sector particularly has turned positive, or there is something for the long term. Hence, AMCs are coming out with an NF on this. That is one thing. We are seeing that fundamentally there has been a lot of change, wherein the defense sector overall of India has improved quite a lot. And as far as looking at the technicals or derivatives thereafter, since the fundamentals are very well supportive, I would say that yes. I mean, the one stock, as a disclaimer, I would say that we had recommended to our clients, we have in fact recommended to book profits as well yesterday. That was on Mazgaon Dock. I mean, that stock is clearly an uptrend for a long term. Cochin Shipyard, if you see, that is looking really good. So that is also one stock which one can keep on radar. These are the two stocks which I think are looking good or better relatively in the overall defense pack. There are many such stocks. Definitely, the overall, I would say the stocks, event or the basket is low. But then I think these are the two stocks which one can keep an eye on.
Jay, some of
Must
the Jay, some of
Cochin.
the IT, some of the EPC companies kind of breaking out. Look at BL Kashyap, the NCR-based infra company. Can you check the charts of this one? There were some orders which have come in, and on the back of that, BL Kashyap around 40 rupees a share. There's a good follow-up coming in today. Can you check the charts there?
Sure, sure. The overall, this stock has provided a support up to the levels of 38 levels. But then, I would say that right now, this stock is consolidating within a range of, say, 45 to maybe 35. That's the 10 points range. Overall, the momentum in the medium to long term is positive. The chart structure is absolutely bullish. It's been trending higher. A breakout above 45 would definitely lead this stock to inch towards this lifetime highs of 65 or maybe. So overall trend is positive. It's just that once it provides a breakout, it will gain some further momentum.
SW Energy, power stocks also have been gaining last couple of days on under ownership, I guess. Prashant Jain was on our channel and he did speak about power looking good. JSW Energy is trading almost 3% higher, closer to 260. What are the kind of levels it can have in the next few days?
JSW Energies, especially I would say Ajay, yes, that's been consolidating. I would say, see, power stocks to me, whether it is Torrent Power, NTPC, JSW Energy, to me, as of now, these all stocks are in a consolidating phase. Probably, JSW Energy is relatively, technically, I would say, technically, relatively is at a lower end of the range compared to that of NTPC or maybe Torrent Power. So JSW Energy has a positional or medium-term support at around the levels of 210, and it can inch towards the upper end of the range, which is 320. So it's stuck within the range of 320 to 210.
Okay, Jay, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon on Markets at Noon, giving us a breakdown on the individual stock names as well.